viewers. Today in this video, I will be showing you how you can convert this type of mathematical PDF into a refined and brandy PowerPoint slide like this. So here you can see that this is the slide I have made using this PDF. And you can do it using the help of ChatGPT or DipsSeek and without writing any mathematical expression in PowerPoint by your own. So let's see how to do it. Now, if I show you what I have done so far to make it, you can see that I have used DeepSeek and I have uploaded the PDF in DeepSeek and I have written this prompt. Can you write the content and the mathematics of the first 4 pages of this PDF? So for the first time, I have tried to cover the first phase only so that I can get an accurate and better result. So after writing this prompt, the result you can see that it has given me this result and I try to match it and it was clearly matched and accurate. And then you can see that this is a problem too and it has written all the mathematical expression. But now if I try to copy this and go to paste it in Word file or any other file, you can see that the formatting are not as it is. So what can we do? We can go there and we can write Fiverr. Now write me LaTeX code for problem 2. Now I'm trying to show you only the problem 2 so that you can understand and it will take less time. So I'm now writing the LaTeX, trying to make him write the LaTeX code for problem 2. And you can see that this is a complex conversion and there are fraction, many other things. So since I have written this prompt, now write me LaTeX code for problem 2. Now it has written the LaTeX code for problem 2. What you have to do, you just have to copy this and you have to paste it inside a Word file. And now you can see that this is the Word file, but we know that we don't need this type of things. We just need, for the first time, we need Euler method problem 2, and we don't need this part also. I mean, we don't need to convert anything of this part. We just need the section. I mean, we need this title, problem 2. We need it as it is. We don't need to convert it. And if I now copy this section, I mean, you know that this is the mathematical section. I mean, this is the mathematical expression. This is the code which is responsible to write the mathematical expression. You have to select it and then you have to press Alt equal. I'm repeating, Alt equal. If I press Alt equal, you can see that equation mode is available. Now you have to click on this and then you have to go here and click all professional. And now if I click, you can see that everything is fine now. But the problem is here you can see this is unnecessary square bracket. I have to eliminate this myself. So converting all of this one by one is cumbersome. But what you can do, you can teach DipSeek how he should give you the answer. For this, what you can do, you can, I'm going to keep it as it is. So what I am doing, I already know that this is unnecessary part, so I don't need it. This part, and from solution, I don't need this part. I don't need this part also. I don't need this one also. I don't need this one also. So I'm just doing because if I now convert it alt equal, and then if I go to fraction, I can see that this is actually my expected result. The other things what I have eliminated was not my expected. That was unnecessary. So now I have eliminated all this. So what you have to do, you have to copy this part. You have to copy this part for the sample to train DeepSeek or ChatGPT how he should give you the answer. And now I'm copying this and then I will go there inside DeepSeek and I will write a prompt further. Actually, I need the modified LaTeX code in the following way. Use LaTeX code only where the mathematical expression begins. What I have done so far, I have keep the LaTeX code only when the mathematical expression begin. I have kept all the other things as it is. So that's why I have written like this. And then keep the other things simple and you don't need to use this one. You have already noticed that I have eliminated this part and this part. So I have written this. You don't need to use the starting square bracket and the closing square bracket for ending. Okay, so this one for starting and this one for starting. And I have also paste this part that I have already clean up. So this clean part I have submitted here for training him. So now if I write here, you can see that it has given me a clean LaTeX code. And now if I copy this LaTeX code and then if I go there, so let me clean all these things and I'm pasting here again. Now that if I select all of them And then if I press Alt equal, and then if I go to the equation option, and then if I go convert and all professional, you will see the result. This is the expected result, but you can see that these things, I mean, everything's come in the middle. So what I can do, I can select everything my own, and then if I just select this paragraph alignment, now you can see everything is as we expected. So what you can do just now, you can just select them and count alt alter, and now everything, these things will be converted as your own. So now it's time to make a PowerPoint slide using this. So what I can do, I can just copy these things, I can cut these things, and I can go to PowerPoint. So suppose I'm taking a new PowerPoint presentation, and now I'm selecting all of them and I'm deleting, and now I'm pasting the code. Here you can see that the things are now clean here. And it's, you can see that this text is not actually in general format. This is in mathematical format. So what you can do, you can select them and you just press alter equal. So now it will be converted into general text. And now if I select this part, I mean this one, and alter equal again, so it will be converted as we expected. So this is the approach how you can make a presentation. Now this is the bonus point. You don't need to do this conversion process for all of this. What you can do just now, you can go there and you can just write do the same for, let me show you whether I have problem 3 or not. Problem 3, I have problem 3, and I have already included this part also inside the PDF. So do the same for problem, I should appreciate him, thank you. Do the same for problem 3. Okay, now it will write for problem 3. Here you can see it is generating the same code for problem 3. So let me show you compute approximate iteratively. Here you can see that the problem 3 is looking like this. In problem 3, using Euler's method, compute y is equal to 0.04 for the differential equation dy by dx is equal to minus y. So this was problem 4, and let me see what it is doing. And now if I see the final answer 0.04, so here also the final answer is 0.04. So this is actually he has done. So now if I just copy this and if I paste it into my Word document below here, and if I just select all of them, mind it, you have to select all of them, and then you have to, of course, you have to press Alt equal. If you don't just press Alt equal and you then before pressing Alt equal, you cannot go there. So after going there, if you click now all professional, you can see everything is converted, and now you can take them when you can use proper alignment, and then you can also make them normal. So these are the text, I'm making them normal. Pressing alter equal again, I have to make it alter equal again. So first approximation, I'm pressing alter equal again, I'm selecting and pressing alter equal, and then here also alter equal, and then the final answer here also alter equal. And then what I am doing, I'm copying all of this. So final answer, I don't need to here press this one. So I'm copying this, and now I have to paste it into a PowerPoint presentation. So suppose I have taken another by Control M. So this slide, in this slide, I'm going to paste it. So I have paste them. So now I can make the font smaller to show you here. So you can adjust everything as you need. So now you can see that in this way, if you do, it will save your time and it will increase your productivity. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you and it will save your time and it will increase your productivity. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial for a long